Feels like we may have monsoons this year. The rain has been staying. It's a nice sprinkle. It feels wonderful. Very beautiful rains, nourishing. And this is going to keep the fires away if it keeps up. We may have monsoons this summer, I'm hoping. It gets very dry out here, so the rains are always very well received. You can almost feel it just soaking in the soil and absorbing. But this is a nice, steady, pretty heavy rain that we're getting. It's a blessing. Back down the mountain. Ooh, some heavy rain here. It's kind of like Arizona.